Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you to change between English, Spanish, or French in your display. So first make sure vehicle's on, which this is, and then from your radio here, we'll go to your home menu, and then we'll use this to scroll, hit next with the select, and then here we'll just go down to next again, and then we'll go to configuration here, hit select, and then here languages, hit select, and then here it's English, French, or Spanish. So let's say we want Spanish, we'll hit select. And now it just auto updated to Spanish, and I speak English, so I'll walk through all this again from the main screen. So from these options here, whether you're on this screen or whichever, we'll go back to this one where it's these gears, the adjust this, we'll select that, and then here this language on top, select that, and then select again for back to English, and it just auto changes. So nothing else you have to do. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.